start! There's the spark in the ignition. Hey guys, I have a Ford. No start. Hi boss.
Hello,
Bye, start, bye. Start. Start. Slow strong. Oh. So let's check coil. Slow crank. Other slow start. So let's check the ignition spark using this light put in the negative battery. So and then start. There's the spark in the ignition. Start, by start. Alat doon. Start. Oh. So the ignition is good. The spark. So let's check the fuel. Let's check the fuel using this cup. Oh, start!
Gimana yung second ka?
Ha? Tapi. Good. Tapi. Ito tapi. So the problem of this car is the fuel. Fuel system. So let's check. The fuel pump is not working. So let's check first the fuel pump module. It's located here at the back. It's over here. This is the fuel pump module location. So this is the fuel pump module. Let's check first the supply using this tester light. This came from negative battery. And then it's crank. Start, Colonel. Up. So the supply is good. Patay. Start. Up. The supply is good, so let's remove the fuel pump. This color white harness came from the relay. So this check first light color white harness. The supply is good, and then I remove the fuel tank. So this is the fuel pump. I remove it to change this fuel pump. Fuel tank. And this is the fuel pump. That's why I need to change this. This is the fuel pump. The harness is burning. See that? It is a new one here. The harness and the fuel pump is burning. So it confirmed that the fuel pump is damaged. So let's change the new. Okay, go. So it finished. Start! Oh, start! That's good.